Our 10th annual Art Infusion event runs Saturday, September 4th through Sunday, September 12th. So many great activities, including Emily's Animals in Plants and Stories and Poems. And that'll take place Saturday right here in My Pet Park at 14 South River Street, and that runs from 10 a.m. to noon. And at 10 a.m. there'll also be an artful guided walking tour with Roman Rich Tours, and that's of a Women's History of Janesville tour, and that you'll want to pre-register for. On Tuesday, you have an opportunity to see the Jeff Henriquez art that's in the new Sandwich Bar at 54 South Main Street. That runs from 5 to 7 p.m. and then at 6 p.m. there'll be music in the park featuring Frank Martin Bush and the Names. And that'll run again from 6 to 8:30, and that's in the Lower Courthouse Park at the Marvin W. Roth Community Pavilion. On Wednesday at 10, it's Coffee Clutch with Big Shot Robot, and that's presented by Downtown Janesville Bid, and that's at Ace Hardware Building at 200 South River Street. And then at 11, it's Brats with the Adventurer, and that's presented by Ace Hardware, also right at the Ace Hardware mural at 200 South River Street. That night, it's Art Infusion Celebration with Artrageous, and that runs from 4 to 7 p.m. at the Rock County Historical Society. On Thursday, it's Words on the River with mural artist Ivan Roque, and that takes place from 11 to noon at the Rock River Charter School right here at 31 West Milwaukee Street. And then at 5 to 7 p.m., there'll be an after-business meet and greet with mural artist Nathan Brown, a kaleidoscope of forms and shapes. That takes place at the Janesville Women's Club, and they'll walk to his mural on the Forward Janesville building. On Friday, the chalk art competition begins with artists working at Firehouse Park and the BMO Harris Bank building. At noon, there's a meet and eat with CJ Hungerman, and that's a bring your own lunch, and that'll take place at the Cope Bryan Pavilion. Friday night, there's a party at Festival. It starts at 5:30 and runs until 8 p.m. There's also the great Invisible Art Reveal that'll be over by the Bubbler, where you can see the art appear before your eyes. Saturday kicks off with the Janesville Farmers Market and an opportunity to see all the artists at work. And then at 10 a.m., there's an Artful Janesville family tour with Roman Rich, and you get to meet artist Emily Balsley. There's also plenty of coloring sheets for the young kids to grab and color some of the pieces they see here. At 1 o'clock, there'll be a picnic at the Janesville Performing Arts Center with artist Ruben Aguirre, and that'll run from 1 to 2:30 p.m. And then at 2 p.m., there'll be another Artful Janesville walking tour with Roman Rich, and that'll meet at the town square. Sunday, the chalk art competition wraps up, and that'll run through 2 p.m. at both Firehouse Park and the BMO Harris Bank. And from 9 to 1, you'll get a chance to meet and visit with our two master chalk artists, Lee Alfredson and Stacy Williams-Ing. And that'll again be at Firehouse Park and BMO Harris Bank. At 3:30, they'll announce the winners of the chalk art competition, and that'll take place right at Firehouse Park. If you want more information on all of these great events, just visit our website at janesvillecvb.com.